Here are the top headlines on ITWeb this week. Questions are being raised over the feasibility of the establishment of the Cyber Commissioner Bill, officially known as the Constitution 20th Amendment Bill, in South Africa. The bill was introduced to Parliament in 2023 by Glynis Breytenbach, a former prosecutor for the National Prosecuting Authority and an MP for the Democratic Alliance. Also in the news, South Africa ranks in 64th place out 137 countries in terms of mobile network excellence, outpacing some of its African peers. There is also talks that the newly passed South African Post Office, SAPO, Amendment Bill could result in higher delivery costs for online shoppers and enable SAPO to monopolize the last-mile delivery sector. In ITWeb TV this week, Media Monitoring Africa's Fakamile Madinsila delves into mechanisms for the protection of children's digital rights and promotion of active participation online. And finally, JSE-listed Blue Label Telecoms has committed to settle Cell C's debt amounting to 175 million rands by December 2026. For these and more news, visit itweb.co.za, itweb.co.za.